In the small town of Willowbrook, there lived a boy named Alex. At just 12 years old, Alex had a dream to become the best baker in town. His passion for baking started when he was just a little kid, watching his grandmother, Nana Rose, whip up the most delicious cakes in their tiny kitchen. The sweet aroma of vanilla and chocolate filled their home, and every bite of her cakes felt like magic. Alex wanted to create that magic too. But dreams don't come easy. Alex's family was struggling financially. His father worked as a mechanic, and his mother was a part-time nurse. There was barely enough money to spare for luxuries, let alone a baking business. However, Alex was determined. He believed that hard work and dedication could turn his dream into reality. A passion ignited. One day, on his 13th birthday, Nana Rose gifted Alex a small recipe book filled with her secret cake recipes. If you want to be a great baker, she told him, you must bake with love and patience. Excited, Alex started experimenting. Every day after school, he rushed home to try new recipes. His first few attempts were disasters. Flat cakes, burnt edges, and overly sweet frostings. But Alex didn't give up. With every mistake, he learned something new. His biggest challenge was money. Ingredients were expensive, and his parents couldn't afford to buy them frequently. So, Alex came up with a plan. He started doing odd jobs, mowing lawns, delivering newspapers, and washing cars to save up for baking supplies. It took him 2 months to gather enough money to buy flour, sugar, and eggs. With a determined heart, he baked his first perfect chocolate cake. It was rich, moist, and covered in a smooth layer of creamy frosting. He shared it with his neighbors, and to his surprise, they loved it. Soon, word spread about the little boy who made delicious cakes, and people started placing small orders. Facing challenges. Facing challenges running a cake business at 13 wasn't easy. Alex had to balance school, homework, and baking. He woke up early to prepare his batter and stayed up late to complete his assignments. Some days were exhausting, but he refused to quit. His biggest obstacle came when he received his first large order, a birthday cake for a local teacher's daughter. He was thrilled but nervous. This was his chance to prove himself. He worked tirelessly, making sure every detail was perfect. But on the day of delivery, disaster struck. As he was carrying the cake to the party, he tripped and dropped it. Heartbroken, Alex felt like giving up. But then he remembered Nana Rose's words. Baking is about love and patience. Instead of feeling sorry for himself, he rushed home and baked another cake, this time with more care. He delivered it just in time. The teacher was impressed by his determination and even paid him extra for his effort. Growing the business. As months passed, Alex's reputation grew. He started an Instagram page showcasing his cakes, and people from all over town began ordering. His parents, seeing his dedication, decided to support him. His father built a small baking station in the garage, and his mother helped him manage orders. One day, a famous food blogger visited Willowbrook and tried Alex's cakes. She wrote a glowing review about his talent, and within days, his business exploded. More people wanted his cakes, and he even got an opportunity to supply desserts for a local cafe. At 16, Alex officially registered his business, Sweet Dreams Bakery. His journey from a small kitchen to a thriving business was proof that hard work pays off. Success and giving back. By the time Alex turned 18, Sweet Dreams Bakery had become one of the most popular bakeries in town. But Alex never forgot his roots. He started a baking class for kids who couldn't afford professional training, teaching them the skills that changed his life. One day, a little girl named Emma joined his class. She reminded Alex of himself, full of dreams but lacking resources. He mentored her, just as his grandmother had mentored him. Seeing her succeed made him realize that success wasn't just about money. It was about making a difference. Alex's journey from a boy with a dream to a successful entrepreneur proves that success isn't about luck. It's about passion, resilience, and hard work. No matter how many obstacles life throws at you, if you keep going, you'll achieve your dreams. And sometimes, those dreams turn into something even greater than you ever imagined. As he stood in his bakery, watching happy customers enjoy his cakes, he knew one thing for sure: his journey had just begun. If you loved Alex's story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Alex's journey is a reminder that no dream is too big if you have the courage to chase it. Success is not about where you start, but about how determined you are to keep going, no matter the challenges. Sometimes, life will test you, make you stumble, and push you to the edge, but every failure is just a stepping stone toward success. So, if you have a dream, whether it's baking, painting, writing, or anything else, start today. Take small steps, learn from every mistake, and never let fear hold you back. Because one day, just like Alex, you'll look back and realize that all the struggles were worth it. Keep believing in yourself, keep working hard, and one day, the world will recognize your talent. Your journey is just beginning, and the best is yet to come. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and never stop dreaming.